Gua jatuh ya Allah. Look. Oh, hello, man. Hello, my friend. I can just drawing the mind this fast stuff. Oh, I can. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? No. What is wrong with this wrong? My. What do you mean? Hey, what the fuck? What do you mean? When you stop and it's me, bro, help me, help! You just get more creative. Oh my god! Bye. Oh my god! No! Are you kidding me? Hey, what the fuck? Hey! What do you mean? Hey! Just kidding. Hey, what do you mean? What's going on here? What do you mean? What the flannel? God, dude, what do you mean? What do you mean? Just trouble with me? What the fuck? Hey, it's damage. It's money damage. What do you mean? Bye. What do you mean? Wait, what do you mean? Ouch! No! Oh, I survived! Creeper! You just awesome to me! Hey, what? Hey, what the fuck? What the bleed do? What the listeners? Hey, you just know it's so... Ding. Hey, what? Hey, just awesome you mean? What's going on? Hey, what you thinking about? What the fuck? You doing this? Creeper! Oh my god. Dude, you just might start this. My creeper! You idiot! You smart creeper! You crazy Bob! You crazy? You mean? Just awesome yourself. Just me and the creeper of me. You. I don't like you. You summer creeper giant. What do you mean? What are you thinking about? You, that's a fight. You summon creeper. Thief like no. A thief like no. Ouch. You mean? You mean? You troubled the me as you blew my face. What the fuck? Hey dude. What's going on? What is? You did. Stop people like me. Stop. Sorry. Stop. No. Please. Please. No, kill me. You summoned Reaper. You just jumped. No. You catch up. You made so fun. Fans. You Andy Moro. Just you got the man. Stop! Please stop! Mine. No. Oh. My God, you. Are you really kidding you? You farmer Reaper! Oh shit! You did it! You did it! Ow! Ah! Oh my God, you fuck! You fuck! Look at the Reaper! Oh man! No, someone! Someone Reaper! You just up the pineapple! God, you dumb! You summer Reaper in the farm in me. You just asshole! What the fuck? Just you like! Astaga naga! You so no awesome! You fuck! Fuck dude! You fuck! Come on everybody! Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Go! You dumb! You know why? Where are you? Look! What the fuck? He's doing himself! Oh my! Oh man! Stop Reaper! You are gonna get this? What the fuck? What? Creeper! Please, no! You just creeper! Creeper! Oh man! You damn creeper! Oh my man! Creeper! Oh man! No! You, what the fuck? You stop, you sniff, and be more. tomorrow. You just deflate this funny stuff. Some mini. You just summon creeper again. Creeper! Where are you? Hey! The fuck! You're just going in. Creeper! Oh my god. Some many just like this, they miss money. You just creeper! Please, no! Please! Creeper, stop my money! What do you mean? You fuck! You fuck! You fuck, dude! You fuck! You mini so fuck! You fuck! Some creeper! You just hopping! You fuck! You fuck! Doing you fuck! No, you fuck! Doing you fuck boy, fuck! Creeper! Please, no! No again! Stop! No again! Okay! Thank you! Where are you? Oh, thank you, bro! Thank you! You summon! What the fuck? You just like the me! Oh, creeper! Hey! Help me! Creeper! God, you mean creeper? Hey! Oh fuck! You fuck! You don't! You stop the me stop! You summon creeper! Okay, nice! No damage! No! You just up! You just leak and stop! You mean stop! Mean! You fuck! Where are you? Where? You summon! What is this? Oh shit! What do you mean? Stop! Fuck! Summon creeper! You did it to me! Stop! Please! Stop! Please! You just kidding me! What the fuck? My god! Creeper! Oh my god! Kill me! You fuck! Hey! Creeper! Where are you? What the fuck? Dude! Please help me, please! You just happened! You fuck! Please, no. Please, no.